Dahil yung guys, nagtatrabaho ako dito. Oh my goodness. Pero, oh my. Alright, okay, I'll only do it if you guys sing with me. Are you guys gonna sing with me? It's for Nina and Mio, guys. Yeah. Are you ready? As in, ito ba yung classic na ako ka na? Hindi, iba. So, this is a different coconut nut from the one that I know. See, I'm very old, so I only know the old one.
Same age, right? I thought you're like, same age as
I'm
us.
your auntie.
No,